Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and protecting your data. Check your Android version and CPU architecture, then back up key files. Once done, enable installation from unknown apps for the browser or file manager you will use. Make sure you download the correct APK variants for Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and the Play Store so versions match your device. This avoids signature conflicts. When you have the files, proceed to install in the correct order to register core services. You now install the packages methodically. Start with Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. Install each APK from your file manager and accept permission prompts. If an option asks to allow installs from that app, grant it. Once all are installed, reboot the device so services register properly. After reboot, let Google Play Services update and optimize. This can take several minutes. Make sure your internet connection is stable, because Play Services often downloads essential components before the store works. You finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. Accept terms and allow syncing so your apps and purchases appear. Make sure the store updates Play Services and the Play Store itself. Accept any prompts and let those background updates complete. Once done, search for an app and install to verify functionality. If you hit problems, clear cache and data for Play Store and Google Play Services, or uninstall updates and reinstall. That fix resolves most initialization conflicts without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.